Hello.
I'm saying we have started live on Facebook also, on my
Yeah,
page.
yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर ये लोगो चेंज करना पड़ेगा इसमें आपको यहाँ पर.
Yes, yes. Do that post webinar. Okay.
ओके, ये Zoom पर है सर ये हैं.
That's fine. Yes.
ओके ओके.
So we'll start with the video and then Priyanka will take it over after 5 minutes. Let other participants also join.
ओके.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. So we'll soon start. I welcome all of you to this very important topic. Happy times by focusing on positive thinking. So we'll start soon in 7 minutes. We'll be starting. So thank you, Ravi ji, Sunil ji, Rajkumar ji for making it today. Ravinder ji.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Thank you. Jai Jinesh. So we'll be soon starting. In 5 minutes, we'll be starting.
Yes, yes.
A very important topic in today's times. When we all,
There is so much of anxiety levels are high, so to maintain peace of mind and happiness. So we are looking forward to your session. I am looking forward to.
Yeah, we are here to learn from each other, to get the inputs from each one of us so that we can face this situation and also we can be happy.
Yes.
So let's start with the video. So I'll be playing a video on what we do, and then I'll request Priyanka to take it over. Is that fine, Priyanka?
Give me a second, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
Thank you. I'm starting the video.
Yes, yes.
I was not working so hard. So what Rahul did is to actually challenge myself out of my comfort zone and asking in how much time you can do it.
I don't have time for myself. I must compliment Rahul the way he has been chasing me. He has been pushing me.
I am Rahul Jain, Director of BizWiz and LMI India. LMI is world's largest people development company. We help individuals to perform better. We help organizations to perform better. Yes, over to
So
Priyanka.
this is the brief. Welcome all of you. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के सेशन में. As we all know today's topic कि happy times के लिए हम सब यहाँ gather हुए हैं. Because situation is going tough outside. We all are facing many challenges right now. So I have also seen so many of my friends who have lost their loved ones. Few of them has lost their jobs. एंड कुछ अपने एलिमेंट्स को लेके परेशान हैं और कुछ इमोशनली इतने रेक हो चुके हैं कि दे आर अंडर द मेडिकेशन टेकिंग ट्रैंक्विलाइजर्स एंड स्लीप इंड्यूसिंग ड्रग्स. सो इट्स एक्सेप्टेबल. प्रॉब्लम्स को एक्सेप्ट करना है इफ वी हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. एंड दिस सेशन वी गेट हियर टुडे फॉर कि आज हम आपको कुछ वो प्रोवाइड करा सकें जिससे वी कैन ले सकें जिसका नाम हो हैप्पीनेस. या फिर ऐसे कोई नहीं है जिन्हें अगेन एंड अगेन रिसाइट करने से वी फील that works and problems.
I think there is some audio glitch. आपके एंड से ऑडियो ग्लिच है.
Am I audible?
या नाउ यू आर ऑडिबल. बीच में कुछ ऑडियो ग्लिच था.
Okay, okay. Again, I have to welcome all of you. No issue. So welcome all of you. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज हैप्पी टाइम्स के लिए हम यहाँ सब गैदर हुए हैं. And it's really been very tough time last few months. Or I have also seen so many of my friends who have lost their loved ones. और बहुतों को मैंने देखा है जिनकी जॉब चली गई है, बिजनेस में लॉसेस को फेस कर रहे हैं और बहुत से लोग इस एलिमेंट्स को फेस कर रहे हैं और इमोशनली इतने रिजल्ट्स एंड स्लीप इंड्यूसिंग ड्रग्स. तो सिचुएशन है हम डिनाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. जगह है प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम तब होती है व्हेन नॉट टू हैंडल इट. तो प्रॉब्लम हैंडलिंग इज कर लेते हैं. जैसे कि ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर का ही हम एग्जांपल लें कि शुरू में शॉर्टेज होने की वजह से, लेकिन आफ्टर दैट जैसे जैसे हमें उसे हैंडल करना आया थिंग्स आर नाउ गोइंग नॉर्मल. तो आज के सेशन में हम आपको ऐसा कोई वेल तो नहीं बता सकते जहाँ हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, ना ही हम आपको वो मंत्रास दे सकते हैं जिसे रिसाइट करने से आप हैप्पी रह सकते हो. लेकिन वन थिंग विच कैन चेंज आवर लाइफ दैट इज ओनली पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. और ये बार बार रेपिटेडली हम बातें करते हैं इनके बारे में, इनको डिस्कस करते हैं. इट क्रिएट्स ह्यूज पोटेंशियल विद इन अस. तो आज का भी टॉपिक हैप्पी टाइम्स है. और बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस आई वांट टू शेयर अ स्टोरी विद ऑल ऑफ यू कि एक पुराने वक्त में एक मॉन्क हुआ करते थे. अपने असिस्टेंट के साथ वो ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे थे और शाम के वक्त होते होते दे वर लुकिंग फॉर सम प्लेस टू स्टे. तो कि रात वहाँ पे बिता ली जाए. तो वहाँ पे एक छोटी सी झोपड़ी नजर आई और वो लोग वहाँ पे गए. देखा वहाँ पे हस्बैंड वाइफ और 6 बच्चे साथ रहते थे. तो उन्हें लगा शायद दे विल अलाउ देम और नॉट, लेकिन पूछने पे उन्होंने अलाउ किया और उनको वेलकम किया. खाने को भी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें दी. सुबह जब वो जानने लगे तब उन्होंने पूछा हाउ यू मैनेज कि आप इतने बच्चों के साथ. तो उन्होंने कहा बस हमारे पास एक गाय है और इसी गाय का हम दूध बेच के अपने बच्चों को भी पाल देते हैं और घर का रेंट भी दे देते हैं और जो हमारी छोटी मोटी विशेष होती है वो फुलफिल कर लेते हैं. तो उन्हें लगा कि ठीक है, इट्स वेरी गुड. लेकिन थोड़ी दूर जाने के बाद मॉन्क ने अपने असिस्टेंट को कहा कि प्लीज तुम वापस वहां पे जाओ और उनके घर जो गाय है, जो काव है, उसे आप खोल के आ जाओ ताकि वो वहां से चली जाए। लेकिन उन्होंने कहा, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस थिंग टू दैट पुअर मैन? आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? ऐसे ही उनकी लाइफ में इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं जैसा कहता हूँ तुम वैसा करो। तो असिस्टेंट पीछे गया और उसने उस गाय को खोल के वापस अपने गुरु को ज्वाइन कर लिया। तो थोड़े सालों के बाद जब वही यंग असिस्टेंट गुरु बना, मॉन्क बना, और उसी रास्ते से जा रहा था, तो उसने उसी प्लेस में देखा कि ये तो वही प्लेस है जहाँ पे हम कुछ साल पहले आए थे। तो सोचा चलो मिलते हुए जाते हैं उस फैमिली से। तो जब वहाँ गया तो उन्होंने देखा कि उस झोंपड़े के जगह आज आलीशान महल बना हुआ था। उसने डोरबेल को बजाया तो एक वेल ड्रेस्ड आदमी बाहर आया। उसने कहा कि यहाँ पे तो कुछ लोग रहते थे कुछ सालों पहले, क्या उन्होंने आपको ये लैंड अब सोल्ड कर दी है? उन्होंने कहा नहीं, ये प्रॉपर्टी शुरू से ही हमारी है। हाँ, पहले हम झोपड़ी में रहते थे, लेकिन एक बार हमारी गाय जो हमारा सोर्स ऑफ इनकम थी वो वहां से चली गई। तो हमने एक्सप्लोर किया कि क्या नए वो चीजें हो सकती है जिससे हम अपने जीवन को और बेटर कर सकते हैं। वो कौन सी चीजें हैं, वो कौन से वेज हैं, वो कौन सोर्सेज हैं जिन्हें हम एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। आई हैड 6 किड्स और हमने अपने ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज को भी अच्छे से मैनेज करने को भी एक्सप्लोर किया। तो आज हमारी पोजीशन या हमारे बिलीव्स जिसकी वजह से हम स्टैंड कर रहे हैं, अगर उनको तोड़ के उन बाउंड्री से बाहर आके कुछ एक्सप्लोर किया जाए तो इट वुड बी बेटर। इस पेंडेमिक ने हमें ये सिखा दिया है, क्राइसिस ऑलवेज क्राइसिस नहीं होती, ऑलवेज अपॉर्चुनिटीज लेके आती है, सिर्फ एक्सप्लोर करने की जरूरत है। सो विश यू ऑल अ हैप्पी एंड हु इज टुडेज स्पीकर। So before inviting him, I would like to share a few words about him. Yes, Mr. Rahul Jain is Director of Business Learning and Director Licensee of LMI India. Business Learning is one of the finest online management coaching platform for creating transformational leaders. तो कई leaders create कर चुके हैं sir, or he is an authority on leadership, business simulation, and venture planning. He is a mentor to IIM Ahmedabad CIIE. He is an MBA from MDI Gurgaon and is a fellow company secretary. So he has consulted and coached many organizations as a potential transformation specialist. So we welcome Mr. Rahul Jain as a potential transformation specialist. Welcome, sir. Now over to you.
Thank you, Priyanka, for nicely introducing me and also sharing a very important story, which shows that we can have opportunity out of each crisis. Namaskar, everybody. I'm really happy to be with all of you, and such a pleasure meeting all of you on this Saturday. Despite being the busy schedule, all of you are here, and that shows your commitment. So, big round of applause for all of you. Let's have a big round of applause that your presence is showing your commitment, and I'll request the similar commitment throughout this webinar. That is, say, next 40-45 minutes, I want your 100% attention. So I'll request, please eliminate the other browsers, because that will avoid the distraction. So let's be present here. If we are present, we will be happy. Very simple, but very effective. And we'll learn from each other. This is a platform. It's a webinar, more of a workshop mode where we'll be learning from each other. I would be asking questions time and again. I'll be asking your inputs also, so that we can have best of your experience out here, और हम सब एक दूसरे से जो है खुशी पा सकें. So ये मुझे पूछना नहीं चाहिए कि how many of you want to increase your happiness. I think all of us want to be happy always. So let's start now. So please put your name, location and profession. Those who can, put your name, location and profession in your chat box, so that we can understand each other from where we are and what are we doing. So your name, location, and chat box. Those who are in the situation of putting down, they can please put down through the chat. Yes, please, because then we will be able to understand better. So can you type your name, location, and profession? So many known people are already there, which I know. So I think Ravindra ji is there. He's in Hyderabad. And yeah, Sunil ji is there from Delhi. And many more are there, which are coming up on the chat. So Achal ji, yes, Achal ji, how are you? From Gurgaon. So yeah, so let's move forward now. So yeah, the topic is really important and we'll be focusing on positive thinking. But there is one fact which we should know, which is by WHO, that India is #1 in depression. 1 out of 4 people are facing this depression. Each one of us are facing our own challenges in our life. So I want to understand from all of you that what are your major challenges which you are facing. Can you note down in any notes which you are having, any diary or notepad? Please note down the challenges or the, we can say, obstacles which all of you are facing. So please write down, each one of you. As I mentioned, that it's more of a webinar which is on a practice or experiential learning mode. So we are here to learn from each other. So that's why we'll be doing certain tasks so that it can be as interactive as possible. So please note down all your challenges and please put down your top challenge which you are facing right now on the chat box. If you want to share, you can put down on the chat so that we can understand, we can know about your challenges. Yes. So after listing down all the challenges, please put down your topmost challenge on the chat box. So Smahi is saying to grow business. Achalji, dealing with people, relationships, he wants to say. That Arnav is searching for a job, yeah, employment, having more income, having stable life. Time management is another challenge. So each one of us are facing our own unique challenges, and certain challenges I have also summarized in my slide through the research which we do. And in those slides, in that slide, let me share that slide with you, because that will resonate what you are putting on the chat box. So somebody is saying payment issue, working capital management, cash inflow is a challenge right now. Yeah, Vinitji, this is a pertinent challenge that we all are facing. And most of us are facing cash flow challenge, liquidity challenge, self-management challenge, managing our mental and emotional health, isn't it? So yeah, so concern about employment and earning, debt levels are increasing, self-management, managing our emotional health, managing these kind of tough situations. We have faced unprecedented last 2 months and last 1.5 years. This is a disruption. Of course, our stress levels have increased. So how to manage it? आप देखेंगे पीछे से आवाज भी किसी की आ रही है. That is also showing that stress level has increased. Then digital skills. How to improve our digital skills? How we can become more efficient in this era so that we can adapt and we can change ourselves in a faster manner. And relationships. So we all are having stress. How to enhance the relationships? How to have better relationships with others? These are some of the challenges which we all are facing, isn't it? Now to further elaborate, this is a very important tool which we can use to further know about the gaps. Because there is a saying that if we want happiness and success in our life, then first step is to know where we are. Where we are, what is our current situation? What are the gap areas? And it's not just about money. Yeah, money and career, financial part is very important, no doubt about it. But all these areas are interrelated, because we have seen last 2 months that a lot of people had loads of money, but still that money, वो पैसा कुछ काम नहीं आया, because of ill health, sickness, the grief around us. So that's why physical and health is also equally important. Same way, family is important. We all have suffered, and we suffer when our family members suffer. So that's why we need to understand that what kind of balance we want in our life. What are the gap areas? So can you write down some gap areas which you are facing in these areas? 6 areas are mentioned. Money is there, which is financial and career. Self-development in terms of mental and educational. Fitness. So one of my gap area, which I currently see, is that I want to have 80 kgs of weight. Right now I'm 90. Yeah, in Zoom, which it doesn't appear to all of you. Thanks to the technology, I don't look so overweight. But yeah, I have to, my gap area is to achieve higher level of fitness. So can you also have some gap areas listed down? And of course, it should be guided by our purpose, what we want in our life. What is our purpose? What objectives we want to achieve? Like Amazon founder, he has this purpose of making goods available at the doorstep, easy and convenient and an affordable way. Walmart, providing the goods every day at lower cost. So each one of us are having our own purpose, and our purpose should guide about our priorities in all these areas of life. Generally, हम क्या होते हैं? We miss out on the priorities and we schedule it. We schedule our time as per the routine activities which we are facing day in, day out. But we should schedule our priorities first. And that will happen when we identify the gap areas. So have you identified your gap areas? Yes or no? If yes, please raise your thumb. Raise your hand. Yes. So that I can understand, I can know that yes, you have done this. Now moving further, this slide will also help us. We can ask ourselves, am I upward or down in each of these areas? Am I moving up? Am I becoming better? Career, relationship, or I want some improvement? So you can introspect what kind of improvements you want, in which areas you are already doing good. So there is a scope of doing better. Family, positive impact on the world, finances. So all these aspects are very important. And do we have potential to achieve more? Yes or no? How much potential we are using currently? Can you type on the chat box or can you speak it out? How much potential you are using currently? If we define in percentage terms, आप कितना percentage use करते हैं अपने potential का? Is it 100%? Or do we have potential to achieve more? How many of you agree that yes, we have potential to achieve more? Okay, somebody is saying 10%, 25, 30. Keep on typing on the chat box so that we can understand your state of mind. So yes, of course, we have got huge potential to achieve more. In fact, Albert Einstein said that he just used 10%. Because we are limited by our own habits, actions, and attitude.
that limits our usage of potential. Yeah, we have certain habits. Most of the habits are good. There is some background voice is coming up, so I'll request him to please mute yourself so that that background voice is not there. Yeah. Thank you. So now coming back to the point that we have most of the habits are good, but certain habits are impeding our growth. Similarly, our actions and attitude, we need to identify what attitudes are blocking our way. What are the negative attitudes which are blocking us? So our habits, attitudes, and action is actually limiting our potential. So who can lead yourself in a better manner? Who will be the best person to lead yourself? Yes, it is
Yourself, myself.
Yes, great. So it is you that you have to lead yourself, because you know yourself in a best manner. You know your objectives, you know your purpose, you know your priorities. So you can lead yourself in a very good manner. And this success chain will help us that how we can lead ourselves in a better manner. Because success is a function of results. So the more the results we get, the more successful we become. Yes or no? And results can be in any area which we want. It's not just about money. It's about all the areas that we were talking about. And result is dependent on our actions. So the more positive actions we take, better results we get. Action is dependent on our attitude, the way we think. If we are reactive, our attitude becomes negative, and we certainly get disturbed in that situation, and we are unable to manage that situation. But if we are positive, we respond in a better manner, and we become more successful. So that's why we say attitude is everything. But what impacts our attitude? How attitude is being impacted? What's the basis of attitude? It's our conditioning. जो हमारे संस्कार बन जाते हैं. And conditioning is dependent on spaced repetition of ideas. Let's take a simple example. What comes into your mind when I say Maruti? What comes into your mind?
Maruti car.
हाँ, कार आती है. Very good, अचल जी. सबके दिमाग में यही आएगी, because the space repetition of information, वो ब्रांड हमारे दिमाग में छप गया है. But Maruti is also name of God. हनुमान जी का भी नाम मारुति है. लेकिन अगर हम बच्चे से पूछे तो मारुति कार का नाम है, वो पहले बोले. हम सभी पहले बोले. Similarly, when we think of surf, detergent powder comes in rather than crest of wave. So it's all about conditioning. Our conditioning has been developed right from the childhood because of spaced repetition of information. We are exposed to certain information many times. And branding and marketing, these brands use this kind of technology, this kind of science to influence our mind. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. So now, what we can do to utilize this science to change our conditioning, to become more happy. So I'll come to that point, but let's take another example. What you are seeing in front of you, the screen, elephant.
Elephant.
How much weight elephant can lift? This mighty elephant, how much weight it can lift? Thousands of kgs, tons of weight? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, tons of weight it can use. But if you see the screen, this mighty elephant, if you go into any circus, this mighty elephant is unable to break that small chain. That chain is hardly having weight. It can easily break this chain, but it is unable to break this chain. Why it is unable to break this chain? Because of the habit that it has got in its childhood. When it was baby elephant, it was trained with a heavy chain and it was unable to break that chain. So when it became very mighty elephant, it still thinks it has got habit that it can't break the chain. The same way these habits, negative habits of ourselves, of oneself, is limiting our potential. We need to ask ourselves, can we break our negative habits? Can we break this chain of negative attitude? Because it is the I can't is the biggest enemy that we are facing in our mind. We need to shift from I can't to I can. From self-doubt to positive expectancy. Yes, sometimes or most of the times we know this, but how to achieve this is we are discussing about it right now, so that you can take certain key takeaways from today's webinar and you start applying it. How to is very important. Application is very important. It won't happen in 1 hour webinar, but yeah, if we start applying the right attitudes and right habits, it will change in 60 days. And that's why we say attitude is everything. And positive attitude is everything. Because what happens if we are having positive attitude? It leads to better behavior, focused actions. Focused actions will lead to superior results. And superior results will lead to, in turn, the success or things that we want to achieve. So this is the same cycle that we were discussing in the earlier slide. But here we have changed the pattern. हमने इसको twist कर दिया. इसी science को हम अपने benefit के लिए use कर रहे हैं. That we are using positive ideas with spaced repetition now. If we start using this positive ideas with spaced repetition, that is every morning, evening, before sleeping, just exposed to positive information. Our mind will be positive and stable. It will create new conditioning, which will lead to better attitudes, positive attitudes. So this success cycle, we can control. We can control our destiny if we control our feelings. Feelings, happiness is nothing but a feeling. And feeling is affected by our conditioning. Do you agree with this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. Any questions if you are having, you can ask. You can type on the chat box, we'll take at the end also. Now let's understand this very important 3 key attributes. ये 3 चीजें जो है ना वो बहुत important है. First, we were discussing about positive attitude. How to have the positive attitude, the cycle of the positive attitude. We'll also discuss today about self-motivation, ways we can have greater self-motivation and goal-directed action. Because we are much more focused, we know what we have to achieve. So those who are successful, they know what they have to do in next 3 months, 6 months. And somebody is saying scenario is unpredictable, how we can set the goals or do our planning. So in these times, we have to do shorter range plan, 1 week, 1 month plan under different scenarios, so that we can tackle the worst scenario also. So let us discuss this one by one in detail, because I have got 20-25 minutes. So I'll be discussing these 3 attributes in detail so that we can interact on these 3 and we can learn more. But the whole idea is not about the knowledge. Knowledge we can easily get on the YouTube, on WhatsApp. The idea which is applied in our life will get the results. Even we just focus on one idea for 2 months, one habit for 2 months, and we change that, it can lead to huge difference in our performance. in our happiness. We need not chase 10 ideas. Steve Jobs has also said focus is very important. We have to say no to 1,000 other things and select one thing which is important for you. And in our long-term programs, we help in achieving this kind of process. Our programs concentrate in these two areas, which I will be discussing today, so that we can get the benefit of it. And I want to share my experience here also, how I get benefited, how I got benefited when I applied this process. When I applied as a baby, I struggled to survive because I had severe disease. Till age 5, I didn't eat the salt, and I had many failures in my life. In 9th class, I failed in maths exam. Today, I'm coaching people on finance and business and leadership. I had public speaking fear, stage fright, jisko hum kehte hain, in the college days. But then I started working onto myself. I started working on those 3 attributes, which we also say as do 1%, 100% done. That is 1% improvement every day leads to huge success. So now I am financially independent and I am pursuing passion as my profession. And luckily, I am also helping other companies. When simple person I can do, you all are having huge potential. You can do much more. So let's focus here for next half an hour. Let's discuss these attributes in detail now. Now, when we talk about positive attitude, it consists many attributes. Positive expectancy. Positive expectancy, the way Thomas Edison had. उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा मैं 999 बार फेल हुआ. He said, I have invented 1,000 steps to discover, to invent the bulb. That is positive expectancy. Do you agree with me? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Great. Using the law of attraction, when a badminton player at age 8, she believed in herself. She made a portrait of having an Olympics medal at age 8, and she achieved it. Can you guess who is she?
Tanya Nehwal.
Yeah, right. Using the law of abundance, when we expect, it's a fixed mindset, but when we accept, it's a growth mindset. It's a mindset of law of abundance. Accepting the situation and then taking proactive action or responding in a right manner. And in business, we can say law of abundance, like Mukesh Ambani has done. He has created companies out of companies. Seeing the abundance of Indian opportunities, the way Jio has succeeded, the way his other ventures, he is using this law of abundance. Having higher self-image, like Virat Kohli. Kohli is famous for chasing under pressure. He is having that courage. He is having that kind of right image. What is self-image? The mindset that you are having at the point of action. If you are having mindset of I can, that is positive self-image. But if you are having at the point of action, the image, the mindset of I can't, then that is negative self-image. So which image you want to go for? For happiness, which image you want to go for?
I can.
I can. That is positive, better self-image. So always say to yourself, I can. Positive affirmations to yourself. Never say die attitude. Like we have discussed the examples of Kohli and Thomas Edison. Work smart and not just work hard. When we say small is beautiful, 1% difference every day, it is like working smart. And also there is a principle, 80-20 principle. What is 80-20 principle? Anybody? What
Focus
is,
on important part of the life, which is 20%, rather than which is not important, maybe 80%.
okay, let's have one more response from somebody else. What is 80-20 principle? Anybody? Pareto principle भी उसको कहते हैं. That is 20% action leads to 80% results. So what we are doing to improve our focus on important things, on those 20% actions. I'm not saying let's ignore the other. Certain actions which are which might not be important but necessary to do the activity, we need to do it. But can we prioritize the customer? Say in the business, can we focus on the A-class customers, which is giving you 80% revenue? And the rest the team can also handle. So we need to think where and how we can work smart, not just work hard. Like many companies have done this also. They have adapted. Those companies, जिन companies ने अपना digitization fast किया है, they have applied this working smart. They have reduced traveling cost. They are using latest technologies of doing meetings, of doing events, virtual events. They are also finding opportunities. Many industries are growing also nowadays. So work smart, not just work hard. So these are the important attitudes that we need to develop consistently. So do you want to develop these attitudes? What do you feel about these attitudes? Are these attitudes important? So if yes, then please type yes on the chat box. And how we can achieve these attitudes? The cycle that we discussed in the beginning, the success cycle, spaced repetition of powerful ideas will help us in achieving the attitude. We have to program our subconscious. And Indian dharma, भारत के जो धर्म है, उसमें भी बहुत सारे tools हैं, which help us to program our subconscious mind. Meditation is a very huge and important tool which we should use. How many of us are doing meditation regularly? And what actions you want to take so that you consistently do the meditation? Do you want to allocate time for yourself, for working on your emotional health, your physical health? Ideally, we need to at least give 1 hour daily to ourselves. Can you allocate some time? Can we just wake up 15 minutes early, half an hour early, so that we can start using and programming our subconscious mind? Small actions, but it will lead to big difference in result. So I want your commitment and action. Please note down what actions you want to take to develop these kind of attitudes, so that after the webinar, you start acting on it. And lessons from Bhagavad Gita, I have just summarized few important points which we can take from Bhagavad Gita also. So positive expectancy, life is full of joys and sorrows. So be grateful for the joys and be prepared for the sorrows. Same way, you did not bring anything with you when you came, and you will leave with nothing when you leave. So what are you afraid of losing? That is law of abundance, isn't it? Dedicate yourself to your unique purpose or duty. So that's never say die attitude. Your karma is most important. Dharam se karam karna. Human life and likes are fickle and derive strength and peace from your divine, from the superconscious energy which is there in the universe. That is having positive self-image. So these are the important lessons from Bhagavad Gita. Further, this is a very important exercise that we would be doing for next 5 minutes. देखिए, chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Chain is only as strong as its weakest link. One weak part, one weak attitude will render the whole chain weak and it will break the chain. So when we want to achieve more success, what happens? We have extra responsibility, but we are unable to bear that responsibility because of our weak attitudes, negative attitudes, and we then become sad instead of happy. This happens many times. So what are we doing to strengthen our weakest link? Let's first understand what can be your weakest link or what can be your performance issues. तो मैं अभी आपको स्क्रीन पे I will be showing some essential competencies which are essential to improve. Ones that are highly important, which can impact your happiness and success. Can you identify the areas where you want improvement? Top 3 points. If you improve, your performance will improve considerably. Out of these, identify the 3 areas, at least 3 areas, and note down in your notes. And please also put on the chat one area, one most important area where you need to improve, which will help you to improve your performance. It can be low planning, कि मेरे पास समय नहीं है planning के लिए. Delegation, employees are not doing, team is not doing what I want. I am not organizing myself properly. Self-organization. Communication, I am not able to communicate well, not able to express in a right manner. Poor prioritization. Time बहुत है, लेकिन still I am unable to achieve what we want to achieve. That's poor prioritization. Because I am stuck in firefighting. Firefighting or routine operations में stuck हो जाते हैं. So we forget the important aspects. Same way other points are mentioned. Suboptimal teamwork. Not managing time. Time pressure. Stress बहुत high है. Interruptions. There are many interruptions and distractions. Interruptions may be from social media or from any other ways. So these are the important areas which can impact our performance, which can reduce our sales, which can increase our losses, increase our costs. So can you now put the most important challenge which you are facing out of these? That is performance issues. Because जो हमने पहले लिखा था या पहले नोट किया था कि gap areas हैं, and these gaps are because of our own behavior, our own attitudes. This is the right time to point out what are the important gap areas, what are the important causes which is leading to those gaps. कई बार हम planning ठीक से नहीं करते, तो time नहीं मिलता, so we are unable to devote time to high priority activities or high yielding customers, and our sales is less. So this kind of cause and effect chain is there. So let me check the chat box. What kind of performance issues you have written? Yeah, somebody is saying interruption. Somebody is saying interpersonal skills. Can you put down your interruption, your performance issue on the chat so we can understand? And I'll be taking one example also. Let's take one example from somebody. Let's speak it out. So yeah, Achalji, let's have your sharing. Achalji, what do you think? What had been your gap area and how did you work on it? What was your performance issue? Yes.
My performance is a low communication.
So,
Yeah,
okay.
poor communication, you can say.
And if you become better in this area, then what can happen?
I can get my results, required results.
And can you be more specific? That what kind of result you can have, say, in next 6 months? If you become better in communication, what do you want to achieve?
I can achieve my position in my professional life in office, better position.
And is that
That
important
I
for
can't.
you?
Yes, that is important, highly important.
So this kind of connection we need to make from
Yes,
with performance issues and the results that we want to achieve. And the result need to be very clear in our mind, because that result will lead to self-motivation. Otherwise, we won't be working on the issues that is bothering us, whether it is communication या फिर समय time management है या कुछ और. So we need to be clear of our objectives. And how much committed you are, Achalji, to improve this.
actually, I'm talking about this, but I am not working on this area.
Very good.
I've written to improve it, but I'm not working on it. Really,
So,
I'm not working.
what is the challenge? Do you want to allocate
Nothing.
more time to work on
No.
this?
No, I have to focus on this only.
Focus on this. So that focus is important.
Yeah.
Right. So that is the important issue, that prioritization and focus.
Yes.
So we need to allocate and we need to schedule our priorities. Great. So in the same manner, we need to address other challenges and we need to tie up with the results. That's why goal-directed actions are very important. Goal need to be SMART, that is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and tangible. Let's take an example. So in next 6 months, can you have SMART goal with respect to all the areas that we have taken? If we take the area, say health, can we have a specific goal? Say for me, as I discussed, my specific goal is next 6 months, I have to achieve weight of 80 kgs. And just mentioning this will not be sufficient. Further, we need to mention the action that we want to take. That's why goal-directed action, that is how much time we have to put to achieve that particular goal. What activities we have to do for achieving those goals. And write it down. Can you write down those activities? So that from tomorrow onwards, you can schedule your priorities, you can schedule your activities. That will make goal a SMART goal. So let me share that slide of SMART goal. So as I have discussed, can you make 3 important goals which you want to achieve in next 6 months, which will enhance your happiness quotient? Yeah, of course, happiness is state of mind. If we are stable, we are happy. If we are peaceful, we are happy. If we are having positive attitude, we are happy. And if we are happy, then we can do much more. So that's why I'm asking, I'm requesting all of you, make 3 different goals, which will lead to the results that you want to have. Because different goals will lead to different actions, which will lead to different results. The results which is different from the right now which you are achieving. Otherwise, you will keep on getting the same results. So can you put down certain goals which you have made on the chat box? Share 1 or 2 goals which you want to achieve in next 6 months to improve the balance in the wheel of life. And then say to yourself with positive self-image, with no doubt in the mind. Affirm yourself. So for somebody, if the goal is of savings, say to yourself, I like to save money. I am having the highest savings in this year. Can you repeat that? I am having the highest savings this year. Please unmute yourself and repeat this. I am debt free. I am having the highest income in this current year. So repeat these things to you. I like myself. I am fit. All these affirmations and visualization will help us to achieve what we want to achieve, because what we think, we become. So do you want to hone your leadership skills? Do you want to achieve more happiness? Are you interested in knowing about how we do this in our long-term programs? So I'll request now Priyanka to explain certain ways where we all can hone our leadership skills. Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful sessions. We have achieved and we decided to work upon so many things to achieve our goals. And, as you all have seen in the slide, that how execution is more important than just knowledge. We have enough knowledge, but execution is the thing which actually presents the result. So business learning is a platform where we use the method like experiential learning, unique pedagogy, and execution. We help in execution. So there are three kinds of the plans on which we are working right now. Just a second.
So I will be taking your questions after Priyanka's sharing is over. मैं आपके questions भी लूंगा. If you have any questions, please type on the chat. So I would be taking your questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I would like to say the first basic plan access होगी जहाँ पे आप videos को देख सकते हैं, and one live session होगा हमारे master coach के साथ. So you can start this basic plan to realize the power of execution, power of achieving the goal and change your life. And the second plan, which is under the gold plan. So basic plan की जो facilities है उसके साथ साथ अगर कुछ आप payment करते हो, कुछ premium pay करते हो, तो video classes होगी और access to 2 live session on goal setting by our master coach. So this is right now we are focusing on this plan, which is starting for rupees 2,000, or if you will register today and pay us today only, then today we have special offer for all of you. You will get this discount, and in 1,500 you will get this plan. So please move to the last slide, sir. Yes, and the third one is platinum plan. So this is the additional and more elaborating and more facilities you will get it. So you can discuss with us. So as you all have come to know goal setting and how you can execute on your goals and your plannings to achieve success in your life, achieve happiness in your life. Thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Priyanka. So I'll be sharing one more example out here. One of our dear participant, Mr. Rajkumar Khatuwala, who is from Sham Paxil, he is sharing his experience, how positive affirmation and visualization has helped him in achieving his goals and generating the confidence. And due to measurement, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly measurement, he has been able to achieve his goals and track the progress, which has led to the results which he wants to achieve. He was able to motivate not only himself, but also to the staff. Power of communication has led to very good results. The points that we were discussing. Now, we are using the technology now. By using the technology, we have reduced the cost of coaching like anything. People are charging very exorbitant amount, but we are just doing in 1500 rupees. We are giving 2 sessions on effective goal setting and planning. So the points that we discussed, they will be helping you to apply that. So there will be 2 live interactive sessions where I'll be coaching the participants, and then 10 selected video courses are also available. And these video courses are in the areas of sales, leadership, positive thinking, relationships, financial intelligence, and so on. We'll be also providing 1 year access to our business planning software, which will help you to simulate and to also test your assumptions. So all this is at a very nominal rate because our motto is to empower human potential. And this is our gold plan. We have put in the link. If you want, you can join it just for paying rupees 1500. Now I'll be taking your questions. Floor is open for question. So let me have the questions. You can unmute and ask. Before that, we have got many questions on the registration form also. We have collected many questions. So I'll be just reading few important questions so that I can reply. So let me just open that registration file. In between, if somebody is having question in their mind, they can ask by unmuting. Okay, I will go for the first question here. How to remain calm in case of mistake by others? Very pertinent question. That is how we can remain calm. If somebody has done mistake, first we need to accept the situation. But generally what happens? We tend to react. We don't listen completely. We tend to react, and then we lose our stability also. So we can help others only if we are stable, isn't it? So if somebody has made mistake, we need to be stable and then respond accordingly. Then we need to guide them by a feedback which can help in correcting his action. The person is not wrong. That action was wrong. So we need to focus on the actions here. Another question which I have received, I'll just how to manage employees in a better manner. How to manage employees, very important and very, you can say it is one of the leadership challenge also. How to retain and engage employees. We need to ask ourselves how much time we are giving to understand our team. Yeah, it is very important, but am I scheduling the time for having the right people in our team? For having, for engaging with them, for developing with them, for developing them, and with them also, because we are also learning from them. So we need to answer that point. Then another question I would be taking here. How one habit of positive thinking when he is under great stress, which is pushing him towards depression. So we have discussed about the success chain. We need to use that success chain. So we need to improve our conditioning. If we focus on our conditioning daily, we expose ourselves to positive information and use techniques like meditation, our state of mind can change and we will be more positive. So these were the important questions which were asked. Now I'll be asking some of you to share your today's experience. So I'll be requesting Ravinder ji he is out here. He is joined from Hyderabad. So how is your experience today? And share certain insights from your side. He is also expert in many management and leadership areas. So Ravinderji, please share your experience today. Yes.
Yeah, I was looking forward to this session, and happiness. Obviously, all of us are always having moods, but ultimately there is a stable condition, and peace and happiness is what we are all wanting in our lives. So this session has given a good framework to look at ourselves, and I think it was very important that some of the sharings indicated that sometimes the reason is within us, that we want something, but we are actually not having a focus and putting in efforts to achieve that. Or we are just thinking that I want it, but not realizing the importance about it. So it remains without any action. So as you have very rightly put about SMART goals and then working on goals. And one of the point which really hit me was when you said that the state of mind at the time of action. Now, this is something which was a very insightful point. That state of mind we might be having, but at the point of action, what is the state of mind that will determine the result at that action point? So it was a great learning for me, and I
Very
would
important insight, Ravinderji.
yeah,
Thank
and
you.
I would look forward to sharing in future also.
Thanks a lot.
Great evening. Thank you very much.
Nikhilji is also here, my dear friend Nikhilji. So can you share your experience and insights? You have rich experience of leadership and you have worked in many bigger companies and multinational companies. Yes,
Hi,
Nikhil.
Rahul.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, absolutely. Sorry, I could not grasp exactly the what you're expecting
Yeah,
me
can
to
you
do.
share your insights on this topic and what you have gathered from this session? Yes.
Unfortunately, I logged in a little late, Rahul.
But can you give your inputs on how to be happy?
I think so for happiness, there are three basic categories, criteria which a person need to be working on. One is need to be contented of what you have. Secondly is look for something which satisfies you. You know, something like an hobby, something like let's say my hobby. I enjoy driving. So now I'm very relaxed. So that's second. Third, and I think so very, very important factor in anyone's life is the kids. I think they really make you make a lot of change in your life. So that's what I feel it's happiness.
Great inputs, Nikhilji. Thank you for sharing your inputs. So I will, at the end, I will say stay positive and remain in touch with always with your power of proximity is very important. So if we are with happy people, we'll be happy. So thank you and stay connected. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Rahul. Thank you very much. Pleasure.